Bakunawa is the new for 2027 attraction coming to Six Flags Great Adventure as the replacement for Kingda Ka. This roller coaster will have a high bar to clear, with it replacing the world's tallest coaster. But it has 6 records of its own, with this being the world's fastest spinning coaster, the world's tallest spinning coaster, the world's fastest inversion, the world's longest stall, the world's first inverted launch, and the world's first floorless spinning trains. There's a lot to unpack, so this is going to be my full thoughts and analysis of this new upcoming ride, because many people are being quick to judge. Starting off with the name of Bakunawa, Great Adventure would tease 2 other names, including Phantom Spire and Gargantuan Vertical Vengeance, going as far to having jackets for the media events saying GVV. But all that was just to mess with the public. This comes from Filipino culture as a sea monster that eats the moon. And this is located in Shoreline Pier, so this makes perfect sense. Although, I don't know how I feel about the name. I sometimes need to hear it just to remember how to pronounce it. The theme works with this area though, except I don't really know why you're spinning, because this is a Mack Extreme spinner, but a little bit different. This is a shuttle coaster, and it includes a new train design from Mack with floorless spinning cars, as well as 5 cars per train. This will be interesting to see because they seem very elevated, but with other Mack Rides having very comfortable trains, I would assume these would be the same. And I believe that there are 2 different colors for each train. The off-ride shows a green and purple train, but Great Adventure revealed a purple train. But we'll see soon, but what we do know is that there will be 2 trains with a switch track, so that will be excellent to see. The ride isn't that long, so I think this will have good operation with trains rolling. Getting into the layout though, you launch out of the station to 60 miles per hour or 97 kilometers per hour. I hope this launch is powerful, similar to what we see at Stardust Racer, that it isn't forceless like Copperhead Strike's launch. Going into the stall, you will launch from 60 miles per hour to 80 miles per hour or 97 kilometers per hour to 129. This launch, you're probably not going to feel so much acceleration, and I think it's maybe just more for the gimmick. This stall seems to just give you perfect 0 Gs, and from that moment, you'll be able to hit launch 3 and go from 80 miles per hour to the top speed of 100 miles per hour or 129 kilometers per hour to 161 kilometers per hour as you head up the tower. This will be a cool element, which I think would most likely compare to Top Thrill 2 Spike, but you're spinning and moving a little bit faster as you head out into your outer bank. This is what will be intimidating to so many people. Falcon Flight has a similar moment, but you pass by it so quickly, so you will be there for a while, and spinning as you reach 382 feet. Or 116 meters, but that's from the very top of the spike, so realistically you're hitting like 350 feet to 107 meters. From there, you go back down and you drop down the tower. And this is where I'm really hoping that maybe you'll get some airtime as you're going from this flat, it is an outer bank, but relatively flat, and then you drop vertically down. You hit launch 3 again, and from the sound, it seems like this will be your final launch, as launch 1 is the brakes, but launch 2 has no audible sound of a launch. You go through the stall again and hit the brakes. This ride experience will be something that we've never seen before, and it will be interesting to see if Mack will ever make any other extreme spinners with floorless trains. But when discussing the ride, the question is if this ride is the worthy Kingda Ka replacement. Even though it technically isn't, many people already believe that this ride will be better than what Kingda Ka was. And now, I never got to ride Kingda Ka or even any intimate hydraulic launch coasters. I don't think this experience will match Kingda Ka. Personally, I think the concept is stupid. You're spending all this money to build a ride that will have bad capacity and does 2 things with the gimmick of spinning trains, but really, what other park would buy this? The only reason the park would go after this is to beat the height record, but after that, this concept just kind of feels dumb. Kingda Ka had this powerful launch, and it also had the height to complement it, but this just won't have that kick. Maybe I'm too quick to judge, but once this opens, hopefully in the beginning of Great Adventure season, we'll see how Bakunawa is, and if this ride even dethrones Kingda Ka. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to get through my thoughts of this ride, and I hope to get there sometime next year for Bakunawa, and hopefully I don't have to face a delay unlike other attractions across the industry. But thank you so much for watching, and keep chillin' with the Coaster Dude. I just finished editing the video, and I realized that I was saying the name entirely wrong at the beginning. It's Bakunawa. That's how difficult this name is. I was saying it wrong the entire video while I was talking about it.